Electric cars are good or gasoline fun? Do electric cars really save environment? In this video, I'm gonna tell you answer to these questions and pros and cons of electric cars and the black truth behind it. At the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you an important news related to the electric car, so watch the video till last. From past 2 to 3 years, the craze of electric cars has been suddenly ramped up in India. Following this, the major automobile manufacturers have launched their electric vehicle in the country. This all is done to reduce the pollution occurring due to automobile. But do you really think taking such step will reduce the pollution occurring due to automobile? Let's know it. Let's start with the difference between the electric vehicle and ICE vehicle. Electric vehicles run on an electric motor which get energy from a lithium battery installed in it, and ICE gets power from an internal combustion engine which requires petrol or diesel for its operation. In order to produce a powerful electric vehicle, we have to install a powerful lithium battery in it, as the battery is made up of lithium which is extracted from mining process. So, do you really think that electric vehicles saves environment? Let's consider that till the manufacturing of the car, it will cause some losses in the environment due to mining, but during the usage, it will not cause any harm to the environment. But when I researched in deep, I came up with the black truth. Electric vehicles run on electricity. We get electricity from government or a private supplier. But have you ever think that from where did government or private supplier gets electricity? India is the third largest producer of electricity in the world, and among the all electricity, 20% of electricity is generated by the renewable means, which mean clean energy which does not harm environment. But the remaining 80% of the electricity is generated by using fossil fuels, in which mainly thermal power plant, nuclear power plant and many more power plants are working for generation of the remaining 80% of electricity. These power plants heavily affect the environment, not only in the means of air pollution but also through water pollution, soil pollution and many more. So if you think using electric car will save environment, then it will be little bit wrong statement. If everyone uses electric car, then load on electricity sector will suddenly increase, which will lead to the more pollution. To drive such idea of electric vehicle into reality, first we have to give more importance to the generation of the electricity through clean media. For your kind information, our country has started to take steps for the production of clean energy. The Adani Greens, the largest power manufacturer in the country, is going to install 25 gigawatts of solar power plant by 2025, and it will be the one of the world's largest solar power plant. So the process of generation of clean energy will take some time and it will be done step by step. Similarly, installation of electric vehicles in the automobile market is also started. The former automobile manufacturers like Tata, Mahindra, MG Motors, Hyundai has launched their cars like Tata Nexon EV, MG ZS EV, Tata Tigor EV, Hyundai Kona Electric, and manufacturers like Renault and others are soon going to launch their cars in the upcoming years. Government is also taking some initiative by applying BS6 norms and all to reduce the pollution occurring due to ICE vehicles. If you want to know what is BS6 norm or what is BS6, you can watch a detailed video of what is BS6 norms on our channel. Link will be in the description box below and in the iCard above. Recently, Delhi government has announced a new electric vehicle policy in their territory. The policy says on purchase of electric two-wheeler or three-wheeler, government will give subsidy or incentive of worth rupees 30,000, and on the purchase of four-wheeler worth rupees 1.5 lakh. So the declination of internal combustion vehicle and installation of electric vehicles in the automobile sector will work simultaneously. Till then, if you are searching for a good vehicle for yourself, then explore our channel and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to hit the like button to this video. Till then, goodbye. Meet you in the next video.